Okay, this is a sample concentration question based on making up solutions. So when we read the first sentence, how much calcium hydroxide would you weigh out to add to 150 mils of water? You have to acknowledge that, or to identify that the 150 mils is a volume, and that the 0.25 moles per litre is a concentration. So that leads you into the question, because we know that the number of moles of anything is equal to the concentration times the volume. So putting those numbers into that expression, the concentration 0.25 times the volume. Now remember, the volume needs to be in litres, so it's 150, but you need to divide by 1,000 to get it to litres. If you do that calculation, you'll get a value of 0.0375, and we're almost there. We want to know how much. So how much is talking about the mass. So mass will be equal to the number of moles times the formula mass. So the answer from the previous step times the formula mass. Now what are we talking about? Calcium hydroxide. So calcium hydroxide's formula mass is 74.056. And where did that come from? Recognizing that that's the formula for calcium hydroxide, and I've added the mass of the calcium to 2 lots of the mass of the oxygen plus 2 lots of the mass of the hydrogen. So the answer that we want, how much calcium hydroxide would I weigh out to add to 150 mils of water to make up a solution of concentration 0.25 moles per litre? I would do the answer to that 2.7 repeat, and as we're talking about mass, the answer would be in grams. With respect to the specialist glassware, to make this solution up, we're talking about a volumetric flask, which is the long-necked glass flask with this shaped bottom, and it has the lid on the top.